Hello friends, welcome to EazyTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the 2 methods to disable Windows automatic updates. Method 1. First of all, go to Settings and click on Windows Update. You can see Windows Update by itself. Now to disable Auto Update, press Windows button plus R. Or type Run and open. Now type gpedit.msc and click OK. Now double-click on Computer Configuration. Go to Administrative Templates. Now double-click on Windows Components. Scroll down and find and open Windows Update. Now double-click on Configure Automatic Updates. Select Disable. Click Apply and click OK. Method 2. Press Windows button plus R, or type Run and open. Now type services.msc and click OK. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click and click on Stop. This will stop the current Windows Update process. Now again, right-click, go to Properties. Select Disabled of the startup type. Click Apply and OK to Done. You can see Windows Update is disabled. To check, go to the Settings. You can see the Windows successfully disabled. You can also pause Windows Update from Advanced Options. Select the time accordingly. If this video assists you, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more related videos. For any queries, use comments. Thanks for watching.